Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents. Dear kids, let's hear a famous fairy tale today, named Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella. Her wicked stepmother and two stepsisters treated her badly. One day, they got an invitation for the grand ball. In the king's palace, Cinderella was refused to attend the party by her stepmother. On the day of the grand ball, her stepmother and stepsisters left for the palace. Cinderella sat sadly in the house. Suddenly, a fairy appeared in front of her.
Don't cry, Cinderella. I will send you to the ball. But I don't have a gown for the ball.
For more information, visit our website. The fairy waved her magic wand, and in minutes Cinderella was dressed like a princess. Before leaving, fairy advised Cinderella.
The magic will only last till midnight. You must be home by then.
Cinderella was happy, and left for the ball. As soon as she entered the ball, the prince saw her, and fell in love with her. The prince and Cinderella appeared the whole night. Before it could strike 12, Cinderella ran out of the palace, leaving one of her glass slippers on the stairs of the palace. The prince ran after her, but could not catch her. The prince found Cinderella's glass slipper, and asked his men to look for the lady whose feet would fit the slipper. All the women tried the slipper, but did not fit them. At last, the prince's men reached Cinderella's house. The slippers fit Cinderella's feet. The prince's men told the prince about her. The prince went to meet Cinderella, and recognized her. Then the prince married her, and they lived happily ever after.